Good afternoon, everybody. I am Джартыбаева, an English teacher of a higher college of new technologies named after М.ЭТЕБАЕВ. You are welcome to my English video lesson. Today's theme is called Internet and Modern Life. As you know, we can't imagine our life without the Internet. It enables you to do a lot of things at the same time. I think that the Internet is the greatest invention ever, and it has made a significant impact on our lives. The aim of the lesson to introduce the new lexical material and develop speaking, listening, reading, writing skills of students. The plan of the lesson: organizational moment, phonetic drill, presentation of the new theme, work with video text, doing exercises, conclusion. Phonetic drill. Let's revise sounds R, star, car, card, postcard. R, Christmas, Merry, presents. O, small, ball, for, skateboard. H, holiday, happy, hello. E, tree, green, need, see. The first people to coin the term Internet were two scientists, Vinton Cerf, known as father of the Internet, and his collaborator Bob Kahn, who in 1974 devised a means by which data could be transmitted across a global network of computers. What is an Internet? Internet is a network of millions of computers which are connected to each other to share information and resources. It is a wide area network that is surrounded all over the world. That's why it's called networks of networks. A special type of protocol is used for sharing the information. That is IP Internet Protocol. Features of Internet. First, communication. Second, file transfer protocol. Third, World Wide Web. Fourth, social technology. Fifth, storage. Communication. Through Internet, we can communicate throughout the world to anyone through video conferencing, chats, emails, etc. File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol, FTP, is the Internet tool used to copy files from one computer to another. World Wide Web. The Internet can be accessed by anyone at any time at any place. It is spread all over the world. Social technology. This technology supports content generation and social technology. Storage. Internet carries a vast range of information. It has a very biggest capacity of storing information. Advantages of Internet. First, searching information. Second, learning purpose. Third, electronic books. Fourth, blogging. Searching information. We can search information related to any topic. Learning purpose. Internet is also used to get the knowledge on the topic. Electronic books. Internet provides online books that can be accessed by anyone. Blogging. Internet is used for blogging means we can share our views all over the world. Disadvantages of Internet. First, fear of virus. Second, fear of hackers, fake information. Fourth, addiction. Fear of virus. When you are online, then there is a chance of virus and can destroy the files. Fear of hackers. When you are online, so there is a hacker that can hack your information. Fake information. Sometimes Internet provides incorrect information about the topic. Addiction. Internet is also used for entertainment, so the people get attached to the Internet for a long time. The Internet has already entered our ordinary life. Everybody knows that the Internet is a global computer network which embraces hundreds of millions of users all over the world and helps us to communicate with each other. The modern world of high technology could not be possible without computers. Computers have opened up a new era in manufacturing and they have enhanced modern communication systems. Dear students, let's learn the new words. Repeat after me. Network, to embrace, user, to design, to survive, nuclear war, to pollute, dangerous, path, available, the net, packet switching, invention, accurate, to count, approximately, to receive, message, to provide, reliable, alternative, provider, security, router, to intercept, to encode, notwithstanding, to crack, huge, to circulate, tremendous. The next step is video text about Internet. Dear students, be attentive and listen to it.
Its history. The Internet started in the 1960s. The United States Department of Defense started it because they wanted a computer network to help the American military. In the 1970s, scientists worked on it. Then in the 1980s, telephone companies made it possible to communicate on the computer network in many more countries. An international computer language was born, and the net went worldwide. What can it do? You can use the Internet for many things. You can buy a car or a house. You can book a holiday. You can watch a video. You can read an Australian newspaper or a Japanese magazine. You can buy books and CDs from North and South America. You can play chess with a partner in Moscow. Or you can just chat to people from all over the world. The list is endless.
So, if you have listened to the video text, answer the following questions. What is this text about? What is the Internet? When and where did the history of Internet begin? What's happened to the Internet in 1980s? What can you do with the help of Internet? Next, you should read and say if the statements are true or false. The Internet has already entered our ordinary life. The life of Internet began in the US in 1969. Most of the Internet host computers are in the United Kingdom. Tomorrow, the most popular Internet service is email. In many countries, the Internet could provide businessmen with a reliable. Now you must work through the Internet, gambling and playing through the net. Notwithstanding, these programs are not perfect and can easily be cracked. Dear students, write this task in your copybooks. As a homework, there are two tasks in this slide. First, make up phrases with these words. Second, translate the words in brackets. Dear students, you should do these tasks in a written form and then send to the College Nation site. So, dear students, I think you've got some useful and important information about the Internet. Nowadays, the Internet is affordable almost for anyone. And at the end of the lesson, I'd like to ask you, how important is the Internet in your life? How often and what do you use it for? You can share your opinions in a written form. The lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.